Everyone, welcome back on this demo channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, senior Unity developer, YouTuber and blogger, and I'm very excited today because we are doing some announcement. And as you know that I have leave my job in the February month, and now I started working with the on the contract, and also I started working on my own project. So few project is going on, and few project we have created the POC, and few project have been live. I'm just going to share with you that what we have make the live, and also we will cover in the future when we launch few other games and applications. So first of all, if you are new on the channel, make sure subscribe the channel. And basically I am from India, and I create tutorials as well as also I share the game development live and courses on the Udemy. This is my multiplayer course on the Udemy, and also I have shared basic about the VR, and soon I am going to launch many courses. And reason is simple, that you know that I'm just doing the remote work for clients on the contract. So I'm just creating for myself. You know, in the contract sometimes you will have the work, sometimes you don't have. So I'm just trying to create something so that there is no any work, so I just work on my own stuff. And here you can see we are in the Meta store, and we have launched, as I told you, if you are following me on the LinkedIn already, I have announced that we are working on the India Metaverse. And this thing we have just launched on the Meta store, and that is the India Metaverse. And let me share with you the trailer, you will get the basic idea. And currently we have launched 4 to 5 places of the India, that is the real one is fiction. And the reason behind it is to launching to get the feedback that people are liking or not. On the basis of that, we are going to add much more scenes, but currently we have launched with the 5. And what we have used, so I will just share with you the trailer, and I will share with you that what been used, what I have used in the AI, so that you know the basic idea that what we have created. And you can check out, and it is currently on the $9.9, you can say $10, and you can just buy, and then you can share the feedback here, give me the 5 rating. But if you want to share me the feedback personally, you can DM me so that I can get to know. Let me share the trailer, and you can also visit. You know, this is the, if you know about the India, so this is the Ram Mandir. Basically it is in the Ayodhya, and every Indian know about it. And if you are watching from other countries, so this is related to Hinduism, and it is a really you can say holy temple in India. We have also covered the India architecture, like here you can see it is the Qutub Minar, it is the India Gate. So let me see. I will just make the slow down and then share with you. So this is the temple. Basically it launched in 2005 on 1 January. So that is very exciting. So we thought to just bring in the VR so that people also enjoy. And this is India Gate, and this is the Shiva, and which is also related to Hinduism. And this is the Qutub Minar. So basically we have used the Ready Player Me for the male and female. Currently you are getting the two avatars. And basically we have used the so many stuff have been also changed. Like in the first stage we were using the dynamic day condition, like whenever you are going to be there, so sometimes it will be day, and when you are going in the night, so it will be night. When you are going in the lunch, it will be lunch. But the problem was, like, you know, Meta Quest is not very powerful devices, so many optimization have been happen after the trailer. So whenever you are going in application, few things you will see the difference. Currently lighting is not currently appearing here, so we have make this that is also convey AI. Basically we have used the AI, whatever you are going to ask, she is going to reply with you. We have placed here, you know, due to the optimization we cannot bring here, so we just pushed her there so that our optimization works. And when I was launching this application, 3 to 4 times we got the rejected with the feedback that we have to improve this one, we have to improve the FPS. Now everything is fine, we are getting the FPS between the 65 to 72 FPS, and that is great. So I learn a lot, I do the optimization part, and most of work, like you can see the 3D work, and most of work in the VR have been developed by the team. I have a few member of the team, so they are working on the various projects. So you know very well. So from any scene to you can go in any other scene, so there is no any issue with it. And India Gate is really great thing in India, so we just started cover with it. And Ram Mandir is also,
I am Ravni. I am fairly knowledgeable in the rich history and
so she
culture
will
of
reply
India and
everything whatever you
ancient
are going to
India.
ask.
I would
That
be
is the AI thing we have implemented. And I have also worked on the custom. It is just, you can say, Conway AI, already pre-built, just I had to integrate with her.
happy to tell you more about India Gate. Look,
And this thing you are saying to people, so due to the optimization, that is, you can say, avatar is not very optimized, so we had to remove. And this is the Qutub Minar. Okay, so these are the thing, so please go and check out, share your feedback, and you are gonna love this thing. And also one AI thing we have used, not you can say AI, but also it will help you to know. Here you can see that is the blue thing, so that is the board. Whenever you are going there and click on the button, so on the board something have been written, so you will be get to know that what are the thing about and this place. And on some places we have distributed the tablets, so here you can see on few places we have distributed the tablets, so people can grab those things and see what is the written, so something fact about those location we have shared. And uh, the weather thing we have removed, but yeah, I have performed similar thing, like whenever you are going in the day, so you will see the day environment, and whenever you are going in the night, so you will see the night environment. So this is the thing, you go and share your feedback, and future if we are getting the proper and good feedback, so we are going to uh, release some more scenes. Okay. And also this is the one application we launched, and another application, that is the game we launched on the ClearStrike, that is on the Google Play Store. So if you are going to try, so just go and search, it is coming in the search, you are going to enjoy this. And this is a puzzle game, and currently it have the 100 levels, so you can enjoy the 100 levels, and it is really very typical. If you are going to complete 100 levels, please share me on the LinkedIn. I really love to share your achievement on my page. Okay. So hopefully in the future we are going to launch much more stuff. And if you have something that you are looking for developers or 3D artists, so here we are to help you to bring your ideas into the world. And you know that I have enough experience of to create something in the Unity, so there is no any issue with it. And we have also team of 3D, so we will develop. And I have the various kind of teams, you can say, because I have worked on various people. So few teams are permanent working for me, and few people are just whenever we need, so we just get in touch with them and then perform the work. And you know that is the era of AI. So if you are going to dependent on one thing, that is not going to work. So we have to just work hard and create something so that we become the dependent on ourselves. And this is the my YouTube channel, as well as I have also launched few other channel like Indian Logs, Mindfolio Hub, TechPro. So here we are just operating with the AI, so you can also check out this channel. So bye bye, take care, and see you in the future with the tutorials, with much more excitement news, as well as also some announcement on the application. So bye bye, take care, and please check out these two application. And in the future you are going to see lots of application on this. So bye bye, take care, see you in next video.